Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can have very high battery backup on Realme UI. Here I am on Realme 5 Pro device and you can see the version that I am using over here is C.05 version, which is the latest one, as you can see over here. So Realme UI is very famous for their battery drain as compared to ColorOS, which were having a high battery backup. So many of you have tried to go back to previous version. So how to go back to ColorOS from Realme UI, that video is already there in the channel. Go and check it out. In this video I will be talking about how you can save your battery. So at first we have to go to the battery setting. Now you can see my screen on time is around 7 or 22 minutes and last time I have charged is around 12 hours ago. So till now my 70% charge has been drained. 31% is still left, so that means it will give me around more than 1.5 hours more. So the total will be around 9 hours of screen on time. So that will be a great. Now how you can save your battery, like I am getting the battery backup. So first and the foremost thing that you have to do is to enable screen battery optimization. At night, make sure that you enable super power saving mode. This will restrict your battery consumption at night and you will get a great standby. At night you will only get a drain of around 4% as compared to normal, in which you will get a drain of around 9 to 10%. At night, don't forget to keep it in super power saving mode, but in normal day-to-day usage keep it in balance mode. It will reduce the phone performance by 5%, but that won't affect your day-to-day task. Go back. Under power save option, please enable sleep standby optimization. This should be checked all the time. This will restrict your battery when your phone is in low power mode or in sleep. Under power usage, always check which all apps are taking your batteries. You can see here how much my YouTube is consuming. It's consumed about 1500 milliampere hour. So keep a check on all of them. Now head towards app battery usage. Here it will show all the apps that you have currently installed on your system. Go to each app and by default allow foreground activity will be enabled. Make sure that you disable this setting. This you have to do with each and every app unless some apps are given by Google. So, and don't forget and don't enable this for WhatsApp or Telegram. Means their notifications are very important. If you want notifications and the apps for which notifications are very important for you, please don't uncheck this box or don't tab this off. Okay, so keep in mind, do this for each and every app. Moreover, some of the apps are allowed to run at startup, like this WhatsApp app, which allow at the startup time. So whenever you switch on your phone, this app start consuming battery at the back. So make sure that you switch off all the apps which are running from the startup. At night, always make sure that you keep your phone in power saving mode, and by default turn on specified battery level on at 20%. So whenever your battery comes at 20%, it will automatically get activated. Use dark theme for your mobile. As a result, your white light used will be reduced and the battery will be saved. Try to clear this save now most of the time. This will stop your app running from the background. Disable all the unnecessary Realme UI app like App Market, browser, clone apps, all themes, all those apps which are unnecessary, as they are the main battery hogging app. They take away all the RAMs and battery. More the RAM consumption of your phone, more will be the battery drainage. So make sure that those inbuilt system apps are disabled. Keep your location off most of the time unless necessary for using Google Maps. So keep your location turned off. Whenever you use Google Maps, then only switch on your location. Otherwise, for weather info, you can directly get in at glance of Google, or you can also use the weather app that given by the Realme page. It's you can enable the location for this app, or no need to enable it. Directly get updated if you swipe it down. So these are few tricks which can help you get a great battery backup in Realme UI. If you like my video, like and hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.